Additive manufacturing, more specifically laser powder fusion, it is a process of 3D printing and it is very simple. In fact, a layer is created by a roller, then the powder is melted where it is needed and the process is repeated successively to create the part.
It's all about combining the advantages of aluminium, corrosion resistance, the strength, the thermal conductivity, the electrical conductivity, with the possibilities, the geometries that we can print. So here's a satellite component, a single component we replace tens of components, save a huge amount of weight, huge amount of time, new opportunities for the industry.
3D printing will not replace traditional solutions. It's a complementary solution for new parts, more complex and impossible to build with another process. It will open doors for the future to do parts which hasn't been done before.
So I think this is a good example here of the satellite part. We have an alloy that has been designed specifically for this new additive manufacturing technology, so we can bring better printing, better post-processing after the printing, better properties on the product, and things we cannot even achieve with the best conventional alloys we have today from the traditional manufacturing.